What's up, guys? Today's going to be a different video. We are going to be reviewing one of these small backpack survival kits. Let's get right into it. Alright, so you could buy these on Amazon. Sometimes you could get a good price for them. I'll put the price somewhere right here. I got this for this price. I got two of them. Usually I keep one and then I modify another for the car. So let's open it up and see what we got. Now this one has been sitting for maybe a few months now, so I don't know what's in here. I forget, honestly, so let's just open it up. Very compact, as you can see. All right, so we have cotton wool first aid kit. Okay, so these are basically just little cotton balls. Okay, we got bandages, and we have gloves, CPR equipment here. Put your mouth here. Okay, this is interesting. We have glow sticks, we have a fat wood, looks like we have a blade. This looks like a extendable straw. We also have a flashlight. Tweezers are in here as well, and this is a bottle holder. You put your water bottle through this little hole here, and then you can put it onto your belt. We have alcohol cotton swabs. You crack them and the alcohol goes to the end. Okay, so if you have to disinfect something. More bandages, burn dressing. Okay, cool. Antiseptic swab. Okay. We have some paracord, not bad. Nice, we have a paracord bracelet that you can open up. Comes with a striker and a ferro rod right here. Compass too. I believe this is a whistle. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's loud. Not bad, actually. So that was one side. A lot of alcohol pads. Okay, now this is interesting. Something melted and got onto all the Band-Aids, but we have hundreds of Band-Aids. First aid basic instructions. Okay, interesting. Emergency blanket, also good to have. Bandage triangle dressing, that's good to have. So that's what melted. I guess there is a little candle here. I guess it just, wherever I stored this backpack was too hot. So this looks like a bunch of little tools, clothespins. This looks like a whistle, wallet, multi-tool, and some tin foil. Oh, and a little bit of a fishing kit in there. And lastly, we have a waterproof bag for your phone or anything else you need. Not bad. So for the price of it, I think it might be worth it. I bought two of these. This is whatever was the original contents of this one. I modified the other one for my car, so I have water purification tablets in the other one. I have a tourniquet, a better multi-tool, a life straw for water. But for all this, for I forget what price it is for that, I think it's worth it. Sometimes you get a deal when you buy two of them. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Should I modify this one as well? Comment below what you guys think.